and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Let's make a star today. Let's start by making the shape of a star. Make two big cute eyes for our star and a smile. Wouldn't it be awesome to make some friends for our star? Let's do it! Drawing is so much fun. Let's make our star a shooting star. Let's give an outline to our bright stars. Now, time for some magic. Let's paint it. Here comes our paint. Color the star neon yellow. Ooh, it looks so good. We all like stars, don't we? They shine so bright. I like looking at them from my window. Be careful when painting around the eyes. Just keep painting. We're almost done. Let's paint the other stars yellow as well. Let's paint the trail of the shooting star. First, we'll start with the color yellow. A little red for the line next to it. We're very close. Don't give up. Now let's paint the last two lines with a bit of green. And a bit of purple. Yay! We're done! Our shooting star is ready to shine. Hi kids! Let's take a trip to Fantasyland today because we're gonna draw a unicorn. First, start with the body, the ears, and a big round eye. Amazing! Now draw the forelock and the magical horn. Yay! Let's draw a majestic mane. And a small cute nose. Now a big curve for the rest of the body. The front legs and back legs. And finally, a big fluffy tail. We did such a good job! It's time to give our masterpiece a nice, neat outline. Looking great! Keep going! Here comes the real magic. Let's color in. First comes purple, then red for the mane, orange, and some yellow too. A lovely green, a darker green too, and lastly purple. How beautiful does our unicorn look? Let's use blue for the horn. We can use pink for the hooves. Aren't you having fun, kids? Let's color the tail now. Begin with a red, then some orange, yellow, light green, and purple. Yippee! Add some finishing touches with a lovely pink. Here it is, kids, the most magical unicorn ever. Hope you had lots of fun learning. See you next time.